Hi gorgeous! Today we are going to apply 3 different hair colors to create a natural blend from dark root to bleach hair for the midnight rose looking. She want a violet red hair color with a black ends. We prefer to using direct dye for the black ends instead of permanent hair color because it can be difficult to lighten hair after using permanent black. For the first step, we will apply the direct dye to the dry hair using foil for the ends and let it process for 30 minutes before rinsing. Next, we will do color melt by mixing 2 different color bowl for the dark root and bleach hair. For the root, we will mix 5 midnight rose and 6 warm brown in a 1:1 ratio with a 15 volume developer. For the rest of the hair, we will mix 5 midnight rose, 6 midnight rose, and 6 RR, which is double red, in a 1:1 half ratio with a 6 volume developer. It's gonna be look a little bit darker when I oxidization, but don't worry. Look at this gorgeous midnight rose with the black hair. I love her smile. This is her hair before color melt. And this is after color melt. This hair color is low maintenance, which is perfect for everybody. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.